Let's start by reading Luke 23, 32 to 43. Eric, if you could start, and then we'll read a verse each going around the table.
Okay. 2 other men, both criminals, were also led out with him to be executed.
Jesus answered him, "Truly I tell you, today you'll be with me in paradise."
So, what was the difference in the attitude of the 2 criminals? Any thoughts?
They are really different, aren't they?
Yes, one of them just insulting Jesus. Aren't you the Christ? Save yourself and us.
And I also think, faith plays a big part here. One of them has so much faith that they know that they'll be forgiven regardless of how big their sin is.
Yeah.
And the one here says, "Do not fear God." Don't you fear God. Sorry, don't you fear God.
Yeah.
And yet he's the one who's rebuking him has no faith whatsoever.